There's a couple of different ways to get this system into test run. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to do it using the dip switches. So we use SW4 on the actual control board. I'm going to take you through how to put into test run cool and how to put into test run heat, and also how to switch off using these dip switches. SW4 is what we're going to use to do test run. Bottom will switch in and out of test run, so on and off. And the top one is whether it's in heating or cooling. So at this moment in time I've got it set for doing cooling, so it's in off position. So if I flick that bottom one across, that's now set to test run cooling. You notice now that the screen has changed. It now shows it's set for cooling. It's giving me a pipe temperature rather than return air temperature, and it gives us a countdown time on the top right hand corner.